Extracting an attribute value with Beautifulsoup. I am trying to extract the content of a single value attribute in a specific input tag on a web page. I use the following code. I get a type error. List indices must be integers, not str. Even though from the Beautifulsoup documentation, I understand that strings should not be a problem here. But I am no specialist and I may have misunderstood. Any suggestion is greatly appreciated.
.find_all returns list of all found elements, so input_tag is a list probably containing only one element. Depending on what you want exactly, you either should do or use .find method, which returns only one first found element.
In Python 3.x, simply use getter_name on your tag object that you get using find_all. Against XML file conference //test1.xml that looks like prints.
For me, this can be fetched by below snippet.
If you want to retrieve multiple values of attributes from the source above, you can use findall and a list comprehension to get everything you need.
I would actually suggest you a time-saving way to go with this, assuming that you know what kind of tags have those attributes. Suppose say a tag XYZ has that attribute named staininfo. And I want you to understand that full underscore tag is a list. Thus you can get all the attrib values of staininfo for all the tags XYZ.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.